see that in order to succeed in IELTS, let me tell you one thing. This time of your life, from today, 2 to 3 months ahead of you. 2, 3 months, for some of you 4 months, for some of you five months, and for some of you this year. This year, 2022, is very, very important, right? Because in this year, you are going to decide whether you go like this or you go like this. Like this means back to the track, back to your old routine, and IELTS is a past story, a nightmare and all that. So those who are going to be successful, these are the people who have patience, number one. What is number one? Patience. Patience is very important. For example, today you take IELTS listening test. Only 15 correct answers. You have patience that you can do better, and you practice and you're going to improve that, right? Patience is very important. People often fail because they have no patience. I've been teaching IELTS for more than 10 years. And during this teaching career, once upon a time, there was a time when I told my colleagues, let's stop teaching IELTS. We don't have enough students, so we do something else. See, but still we had some patience. No, my colleagues, wherever I lost my patience, they gave me their patience. And today you know what's going on. A subject which I wanted to give up teaching, and still it's at a level. So if you have patience, obviously you can do that. Second is sacrifice. For IELTS, you might need to sacrifice a couple of things. It can be your sleep, right? You say, I sleep for 12 hours a day. It can be entertainment, right? One option is to go and enjoy. Second option is one boring listening test. So you need to sacrifice other things for now, right? And above all, it's just your, commitment, self-commitment. Nobody will say you do IELTS. I mean, your parents will pay the fee. They know Munda is going abroad, right? Kudi is going abroad and all that stuff. But once you start it, you will realize no one is there for you. You are alone. So self-commitment, that I'm committed with myself, right? When I teach, the way I teach you, I've changed my plans several times. I changed all my plans several times. Now today, have you noticed? I played the audio one by one. I cut all these audios myself. From the book, I realized, okay, one answer is here, one answer is here. And it takes me around 2 to 3 hours to do it all. My own commitment, how I can simplify IELTS. So your own commitment to all 4 modules of IELTS. And remember, as you go on the journey of IELTS, your end result should be in your mind. That is going to be the driving force. That is going to be the real motivation. If you see yourself on the tourist bus onto the beach of Australia, if you see yourself walking in the streets of Toronto, if you want to go there, if you see yourself somewhere there, so you will reach. That will give you more motivation. Sometimes when people fall in love, that love or that beloved is the real motivation. Okay, they get motivated that, oh yes, I've got to do it all, and I've got to do it for example, if sometimes some things are difficult. For example, some girls' parents, they say that this boy doesn't do anything. Once he starts doing something, then we'll do. Then the boy is active. I'll do my own business. I'll do online business and all that. Okay. So you should have, that sort of commitment and willingness to do it all. And again, I tell you, like you are around 50, 60 people. Out of you, 10 to 20 people will reach IELTS exam. Honestly, this is, these statistics are the reality-based statistic. How half of you will reach IELTS exam. Then from that half of you will get your desired band score. And from that half of you will reach your destination country. Okay, so now let's see who is that half, which is going to be the other half, and then that half. And I promise the half which is going to reach the foreign country will get a very nice, better half. Okay, exactly. One of my friends, this story has nothing to do with Yasin. He's really not good. He's not good at spelling. So once he got married, he was just like this. I would save the number of my wife as better half, but by mistake he had written bitter half. So the message was the bitter half calling. So anyway, sometimes better half becomes bitter half, right? So it all happens. So please take it seriously. Next 2, 3, 4, 5 months can change your life altogether. Okay? All the best. Thank you.